Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fundamental Bull Portfolio Analysis. Today is 27th December. We are ending the year almost in 1 week, so Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to all my viewers. Before we get started, this is the standard disclaimer as you all know. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about the journal market update. As you know that coronavirus is still progressing in many parts of the world. However, in India, the number is bit okayish, and it's around 25,000 mark at the moment. And Indian drug regulator DGCI is looking at UK, which is sources believe that it may be giving no to the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine. So India may give also approval to this Oxford COVID-19 vaccine, and this may start, or you can start looking at ending of the pandemic, but I still feel that it will take another 6 months or so before we get any concrete result from this vaccination. Then coming on to the market activities, FIIs are still the net buyers in the cash market, and FII net bought 2,591 crore rupees equity in the cash market. This week was really important because it saw a major downturn on Monday when the week started. The indices went below 13,200, and there was this level of 13,200 acted as a support. So market did bounced out after that, and the eventually closing of this week was around 13,750. So it saw a seesaw movement because of the coronavirus, and there has to be news, or there was a news that there is a new strain in coronavirus in UK, which was causing this uncertainty in the market. But eventually the market recovered, and Nifty again closed somewhere around 13,750. Then the major key points coming in this week, or coming few week, is that auto companies will start releasing their December sales volume data in the first week of January, which will give us indication how December has been, how the market or inline economic activity has been picking up during this December quarter. So before any ado, let's move to our stocks, how they performed this week. CDSL, as you know, was this week was a major, not major activity in the stock, but however, on Monday the stock did fall to around a level of 470 or so. So it was a really good buying opportunity this week. So if you would have waited on Monday, the stock was available at 470, and now the stock has closed 516. So recovered around 50 rupees from the low of Mondays. Then moving to the DELTACORP, this stock also was in news last week as we discussed. The stock, or the company, has acquired 100 acres of land and plans to shift its offshore casinos to this particular area in Paranam in Goa, and company said it will take around 1200 crores to 1500 crores of investment to build this new complex in Goa. This stock also went and made a low of around 140 rupees, so 20 rupees up from that low point during the week. Moving to Abbott India, not much news also on this counter, but however, the stock behaved very stably during the down market on Monday, and managed to close around 15,750 odd levels. So overall, not a major major problem in this stock as such. Then moving to the budget paints, here we had another interview from the CEO. So CEO said that the outlook for decorative paint looks very promising, and services like Breathe Ease, Long Life, and Safe Express painting should gain further momentum. Industrial coating are also recovering, he said, with the auto in double-digit growth. So, in meaning that Burgeon paint still continue to rise, and the demand for the company's product will still continue to rise. Apart from this, they are planning investment into no growth areas like waterproofing solutions, like Pidilite does, for example, roof or waterproofing and things like that. And th- they said that they hope to be in five top player in the segment by financial year 2020 end. So major thing also happening. So they may also venture into like waterproofing stuff. And also there was a release of study in the market from Motilal Oswal, and they were doing this study. So in their study, they have now found out that approximately this stock has grown 24% in last 25 years, which means that if you would have invested 10,000 in 1995, it would be now 25 lakhs. So you can imagine, friends, how stocks or equity can give you higher returns if you hold on for a long period of time. The stock, however, with this downturn this week also closed 20 rupees up from the last week closing price of 710 and finally ended at 730. So even in the downturn, the stock performed really well. So I'm very bullish on the paint company. Moving to the Britannia. So here also we had an interview from the management, and the management said the growth in the big urban market is still struggling because of the modern trade hasn't got yet the accelerations it requires, and the consumption at the airport, institution, and train clusters like trains remain impacted. So they say that at least the momentum is picking up, but however still they are finding uh, find it struggling that people are not there at the airports or in the trains, and the consumption of their products is not really picking up. But however, still this is the major brand in India, and mostly still they have around 38% biscuit market share. So I would still bet on this company going forward, and as and when the COVID situation improves, this company will improve the profitability, and the sales will pick up. So it's good time to buy this company also. Moving to our next stock, WABAG. So WABAG also is a very good company, and this company also came up with an interview this week, and they said that their their treatment expect revenue to cross 3000 crore in next fiscal year, which is slightly higher than its revenue of 2500 crores in financial 20. So I think here also government focus will move from COVID to the other activities, which is like clean water, drinking water, and things like that. Company also received an order sometime back from Saudi Arabia, so have a watch on this stock. And there was a traction, and company made a low of 180 during this week, and again recovered from where it started the week, and finally closed at 280 rupees 208 rupees, sorry. Union Bank of India, this has been legger in our portfolio. However, I see that pain in the public sector bank is over. So this can be a multi-bagger for us if everything goes right with the public sector bank. However, we should be very cautious here. If price starts to go a bit more down, we can switch from this stock to another stock. But however, I still don't see any point. doing that. If needed, we will do during the course of our next videos. ITC, again, it is showing upticks, and this week company allotted 78,020 ordinary shares to their employees through company's employee stock option scheme. So the paid up equity is now increased by this much number, and still I think the major revenue is coming from the cigarette business. However, this is very undervalued stock, and if we compare it to Britannia or to Hindustan Unilever or any other company which is into FMCG business. So they have a unique business, and I feel this is very good company with the very good management, and I feel that this company will perform going forward. So hold on to this stock as well. So REC, I think there was nothing major there. It's a typical rural India play. If India has to develop, this company will play a major role. So at the moment, closing the week at 134 rupees. Then another stock in our portfolio, Agrotech Food Limited. I think there was not major chunk, but this stock showed a very good resilience when the market was falling like free fall. Stock only went down, I think, till 780 and thereafter recover to 817. So overall, in a good situation. Then moving to portfolio on December 2020, 27th December 2020. If you see week on week, we are losing 1.67, and since beginning we are losing now 0.43. So not major drop this week, but I think this the things will improve, and we are still in the major uptick. So total profit this week, week on week, was down 1833. However, total profit in week 52 is now down from profit into loss. So basically we are down with 500 rupees. I don't think that's a major issue at the moment because we have started our portfolio on the top. It may go down, so if you are thinking to invest in our portfolio, please take financial advice. This is just for the education purpose only. So friends, I have also created a small case for you. This is called fundamental bull small case. I will leave the description or the link to this particular small case in the link below in the description. And if you would like to also track this particular sample portfolio, you can do at your own. And if you see, we have here WABAG, we have FMCG, ITC, Britannia, Agrotech Food, what we have in our portfolio. Basically, small case is a very good platform where you can create portfolios, give them weightage as per all your understanding how you would like to these. For example, Abbott India in our portfolio is at the moment 14.55, and then the next highest is Berger Paints, and then the next highest is Britannia. So overall, I think if you would like to invest in one go, you can just create a small case here. You can add stocks to this particular portfolio and keep on doing or keep on trading as you would like. Please consult your financial advisor before doing any trades. That's the end of our presentation today. Friends, I think you like it, and if you like it, press that like button, and if you want me to cover anything else, please put your suggestion in the comment box. And if you would like to see all the updated videos when it comes, please think of hitting that subscription button, and thank you for watching.